Changing the email link to your DoorDash account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. On the website, click on your account name or icon, usually found in the top right corner. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for the option labeled email or account information within the settings menu. Click or tap on this option to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Ensure that you double-check for any typos to avoid issues with account access. Step 5. Save changes and verify. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your DoorDash account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.